You need to hear this if you're an adventure junkie. The Philippines has some kayaking spots that'll blow your mind. From the crystal clear waters of El Nido to the jaw-dropping lagoons of Coron, the Philippines is an adventure seeker's paradise. Ever fancied paddling through an underground river? Head over to Puerto Princesa. It's literally like kayaking through a scene from Indiana Jones. Now, if you're up for a workout, try the rapids of Chico River. Just don't blame me if you end up with biceps the size of coconuts. And for the ultimate wow factor, Tubataha Reefs will have you kayaking over one of the most biodiverse marine worlds on the planet. So whether you're a thrill seeker or just looking for some epic Insta shots, the Philippines has got you covered. Grab a paddle and go make some waves. Cheers to adventure.